While cleaning the house, this man suddenly heard a sound that felt very familiar. It kept repeating, making him stop and try to figure out where it was coming from. Curious, he walked around the house, checking every corner, room by room, but the sound was nowhere to be found. Only one room was left. Slowly, he opened the door to the last room, and that's when everything was revealed. But before that, which animal do you like the most? Spiders? Just ignore them. Colorful cats? Like and subscribe. Cute duck? Drop a heart emoji in the comments. Super funny dog? Do all of that right now. The sound he had been searching for was coming from his wife, who was happily doing her makeup.